What if the answer to our energy needs lies not in the ground, but in the stars above us? Imagine harnessing the power that lights up the sun and the stars to light up our homes. This is the concept of fusion energy, a potential game changer in sustainable clean energy. Enter ITER, the world's largest and most complex science experiment, aiming to unlock this celestial power. It's like capturing a piece of the sun and putting it in a box. But turning the power of the stars into a viable energy source is no easy task. The International Thermonuclear Experimental Reactor, or ITER, is a beacon of hope in the quest for fusion energy. Born from an idea that sparked in the early 80s, ITER now stands as a testament to global collaboration. Over 30 countries have come together, pooling resources and knowledge to construct this colossal experiment in France. What is it exactly that they're building? It's a massive magnetic chamber known as a tokamak, a marvel of modern science. Within this tokamak, hydrogen atoms will be forced together, a process known as fusion. It's the same process that powers our sun and the stars twinkling in the night sky. When these atoms fuse, an immense amount of energy is released. If harnessed, this energy could provide a clean, sustainable source of power for our world. It's a tantalizing prospect, a dream shared by scientists and visionaries across the globe. Yet, as with any pioneering venture, the path to success is fraught with challenges. The ambitious ITER project, like any significant scientific endeavor, has not been immune to hurdles. Navigating the complex landscape of nuclear fusion research, the team has confronted issues such as defective components and disruptions brought on by the COVID-19 pandemic. On top of these, budget overruns and political tensions have added to the strain, causing the original timeline and cost estimate to be revised more than once. The current target for fusion operations has been pushed back to 2035. These challenges, while daunting, have not dampened the spirits of the ITER team. Their resilience is a testament to the scope of their mission. Despite these setbacks, the ITER team remains committed to their generational dream. While ITER continues its quest, another significant milestone in fusion energy has been reached. That's right, folks. Over in California, the scientists at the Lawrence Livermore National Laboratory are making their own waves in the field of fusion energy. They've achieved what's known as fusion ignition. This is a big deal because it means they produced more energy from a fusion reaction than they put in to start it. And this is the first time it's ever been done in a lab anywhere in the world. Their approach is a bit different from ITER's, involving a powerful laser that heats and compresses a tiny amount of hydrogen fuel. As the U.S. Energy Secretary Jennifer Granholm said, this achievement will pave the way for advancements in the future of clean power. The future of energy is indeed looking bright.